Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the correct scale in a layout viewport using the easy method. This is a great way to adjust the size of your drawing on your paper sheet setup so your shapes look exactly right when you print them out. Step 1. Move to your paper sheet view. The first step is to leave your main endless drawing canvas behind and click over to the white Paper Layout tab where your final printing page lives. Move your mouse pointer down to the very bottom left corner of your screen workspace. Locate the small rectangular tab that says Layout 1 and click on it once. Watch your monitor change from the dark drawing background to a bright white sheet that represents a real piece of paper. This is the start of everything because you cannot set a printing size while you are working in the main model area. You have to move over to this paper simulation sheet so you can see how your drawing fits onto a real page layout. Without this step, your sizing changes won't affect your final printed sheet at all. Step 2. Jump inside your view window. Next, you need to open up the view box on your sheet so you can reach through the paper and touch the drawing sitting on the background canvas. Move your mouse pointer inside the border lines of the large box on your white paper and double-click your main mouse button quickly. Notice that the outer border of the box becomes thick and dark black, which confirms that you are now inside the active viewing window. Because simply clicking on the paper won't let you adjust the size of the shapes inside the window. Double-clicking acts like opening a glass door, allowing your mouse to zoom and pan the drawing directly. It ensures that any size rules you apply will lock on to the actual shapes you drew. Now you need to choose your exact measurement scale from the number list at the bottom of your screen to snap your drawing into a perfect standard size. Move your mouse pointer down to the very bottom right corner of your screen row. Find the small number box that displays your current random zoom number and click on it once. Scan up the long list of standard measurement numbers that pops up, like 1 to 1, 1 to 10, or 1 to 100, and click on the exact ratio you need. This is the most important part because your shapes will instantly grow or shrink on the white paper to match the exact mathematical size rule you picked. By using this standard number menu instead of just scrolling your mouse wheel, you drop the inaccurate guesswork completely. It is the key step to getting the right output because it ensures that an inch or a millimeter on your paper matches a real-world size perfectly. And that's it. To set the correct scale in a layout viewport, you must first click on the Layout tab at the bottom to open your paper view. Then you double-click inside the view box to open up your drawing access. Next, you use the number drop-down list at the bottom right corner to choose your exact measurement scale. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.